B. Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. Just a bit tired. Have. Do you have any money? I have a little, but not too much. Do. What do you want to do today? I don't want to do anything special. Say. What did he say? He said he would be late. Get. Did you get my message? Yes, I got it this morning. Make. Can you make dinner tonight? Sure, I will make pasta. Go. Where do you want to go? Let's go to the beach. No. Do you know her name? No, I don't know anything about her. Take. Can I take this book home? Yes, take it and bring it back tomorrow. See. Did you see that movie? I saw it last weekend. It was great. Come. When will you come back? I will come back around 5 p.m. Think. What do you think about this idea? I think it could work really well. Look. Can you look at this? Yes, I will take a look right now. Want? Do you want something to drink? Yes, I want some water, please. Give. Can you give me a hand? Sure, I will help you with that. Use. How do you use this machine? Just press the green button to start. Fine. Where can I find the nearest ATM? You can find one at the corner. Tell. Can you tell me the truth? I will tell you everything I know. Ask. Why did you ask him that? I asked because I was curious. Work. Where do you work? I work at a software company. Seem. Does he seem happy to you? No, he seems a bit stressed. Feel. How do you feel today? I feel much better now. Try. Should I try calling again? Yes. Try one more time. Leave. When do you leave for your trip? I leave next Monday morning. Call. Did you call your mom? Yes, I called her last night. Good. Was the food good? Yes, it was really good and fresh. New. Do you like your new job? Yes, everything feels exciting and new. First, was that your first time there? Yes, it was my first visit. Last, when was your last vacation? Last year, in December. Long. Is the move long? Yes, it's over 3 hours long. Great. How was your weekend? It was great, relaxing, and fun. Little. Do you want a little sugar? Just a little, not too much. Own. Is this your own car? Yes, I bought it with my own money. Other. Do you have any other questions? No, that was my only one. Old. Is that an old book? Yes, it's over 100 years old. Right. Is this the right way? Yes, just go right and the light. Big. Is the house big? Yes, it's really big and bright. High. Are the prices high? Yes, they are too high for me. Different. Is this a different model? Yes, it's different from the previous one. Small. Is that dog small or big? It's small but very loud. Large. Do you have a large size? Yes, we have medium and large. Early. Why are you here so early? I came early to avoid traffic. Young. Is she still young? Yes, she's only 22. Important. Is this an important meeting? Yes, very important for the project. Few. Did a few people come? Yes, only a few showed up. Next. What's your next move? Next, I plan to apply for the job. Same. Is it the same color? Yes, exactly the same as before. Another. Do you want another piece? Yes, I will take another slice. Thanks. Each. Does each student have a book? Yes, each one got a copy. Back. When you will be back? I will be back in an hour.